Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you this amazing stand mixer that's been a game changer in my kitchen. It's perfect for home bakers and chefs who want to mix food fast and efficiently. This mixer is a must-have for anyone who loves baking and cooking. So what is it, you ask? It's a powerful kitchen appliance that makes mixing a breeze, taking the hard work out of baking and cooking. You can use it to whip up cakes, mix dough, and even knead bread. It's a versatile tool that's a must-have in every kitchen. Now let's break down the specs of this amazing mixer. It's got an 800W motor, which is really powerful and can handle tough mixing tasks with ease. It's also got 6 different speeds, so you can adjust the speed to suit the type of mixing you're doing. The 5.3 QD bowl is large enough to handle big batches of dough or batter. The 260 revolutions per minute rotation is fast and efficient, and it's also a 3-in-1 mixer, which means it can handle multiple tasks at once. And the non-slip base is really stable, so you don't have to worry about it moving around while it's in use. I've been using this mixer for a while now, and I can tell you that it's been a real game changer in my kitchen. I've used it to make all sorts of things, from cakes and cookies to bread and pastry dough. It's so easy to use and clean, and it's really durable too. In real-world use, this mixer has performed flawlessly, handling tough mixing tasks with ease. So what's the verdict? I'd give this mixer a solid 9 out of 10. It's powerful, efficient, and easy to use, and it's been a valuable addition to my kitchen. The only thing that keeps it from being a 10 out of 10 is the price, which is a bit steep for some people. But trust me, it's worth every penny. I've been using this mixer for a while now, and I can tell you that it's been a real workhorse in my kitchen. I've made all sorts of delicious treats with it, from cakes and cookies to bread and pastry dough. It's so easy to use and clean, and it's really durable too. I've also been impressed with how quiet it is, even at high speeds. And the non-slip base is really stable, so you don't have to worry about it moving around while it's in use. Overall, I'm really happy with this mixer, and I think it's a great investment for anyone who loves baking and cooking. It's a bit of an investment, but it's worth it in the long run. If you're in the market for a new stand mixer, I definitely recommend checking this one out. So if you like this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.